Spray the area with the cleaner, then wipe it down. If it needs a little more love, create a paste with the spray and the scrub. Then apply the scrub and let it sit for 10 to 30 minutes. Then wipe it down with a cloth. Next, we move on to the sink. Spray the entire area with the cleaner and then give it a good wipe with a wet cloth. When it comes to faucets, if there is grime buildup, spray the area with the cleaner, then add some super scrub and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wipe it away. You don't need much powder to get the job done. If you want your toilet bowl to sparkle, spray the cleaner into the bowl and then add a sprinkle of the scrub and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then use a scrubbing brush to mix the solution, then give it a good flush. Don't forget to wipe down the rest of the toilet, including the toilet seat and the handle, by using the spray and cloth. Clean the tub, spray the cleaner liberally into the tub itself, and don't forget the sides where mildew collects. For tough stains, spray the area with the cleaner, then add some scrub powder. Let it sit for up to 30 minutes, then give it a good scrub. Finally, make sure you rinse the area really well. Now you may need to repeat this step if you have lots of buildup.